Hey, so I want to show you how to make custom fields and custom folders, and I will share my screen with you. All right, so what's a custom field? What's a custom folder? Easiest way to understand custom folders is to go inside your contacts and just see that you'll just have the contact, general info, and additional info. I've got some different ones here that I've made for myself, but this is a custom folder. Well, actually, these are custom folders, right? These are stock folders that come in there. And inside your custom folders are custom fields. Where do we make these? We go down to settings, custom fields. First thing we want to do is add a folder. So we're just going to name this one test, and it's going to be in the contact. And you're going to press save. And now we'll search for that. See if I did it right. There it is. And now inside that, we're going to add a custom field. We've got all these different types of custom fields we can add. Single line, multi-line, text box, drop downs, multiple choice, all the things we can do here. These are also going to be used inside of a survey, which I'll show you in a minute. But we'll just create a single line test here. So our custom field is going to be test. Let's try not to confuse it. We'll just name this fun so as to not confuse the custom folder with the custom field. Goes in the contact, in the group test. We're going to hit save. Now this is our folder. We're going to open up the folder again. And we've got our custom field called fun. So that when we go back to the contact, we see we have a custom folder here with a custom field called fun. And we could type in all sorts of stuff and press save. And then that's that. We can also use custom fields when creating surveys or forms. So say you wanted to have someone fill out a survey that was, their buy box, for example, what type of property they're buying, where, what, all those great questions. We would create a form or a survey. They're two different things, similar. And, we could add first name, last name, phone number, email, and you can rearrange these things. And then you can add your custom field in here as well. Go to the bottom. And there we go. You have a custom field in there. So now when they fill this out, if you were to give them this form, they would put in all their information. It would create a contact for them, and they would fill out this custom field, and it would fill in the folder, in the contact information. And I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, hit me up.